Hi North Haven, this video is going to show you how to make a video assignment in SeeSaw so that you don't have to use a separate product like Google Meet, WeVideo, or Flipgrid. So what you're going to do is come to the Add button at the top center and click Assign Activity. That's probably the fastest way to access your activity library. From there, click Create New Activity. You can put in your title and your directions here. Note that the Add Multimedia Instructions or Example is just for if you have an example or a model. The actual assignment for the student should come down here where it says Add Template for Student Response. So you're going to click there. And from here, you can either start with the video template or you can start with the drawing template. I like to start with the drawing template. From here, to add your video, you click the camera button and then the video button. Once that's loaded, you notice that you have 3 camcorder buttons, one to the right, one to the left, and one at the bottom of the screen that are going to let you record. You can click any of those 3 icons, click Allow, and it's going to let you start recording. When you're done with your video, if you just need to pause because you forgot something or someone said something and you want to restart, you can click Pause, and then you can restart recording by clicking the button again. But if you're actually done with the video and you don't have any more to add, you can come up and click this Done button at the top right. And now an image from your video is going to be in the middle of the screen. You can come up and change the size of the video with the dot at the corner. And now you can do anything to the background. So like for instance, if this was you reading a book to the students and you wanted them to give you a response or draw a picture, you can come down to the 3 dots and add a place for them to put their answer in. So let's say I want them to draw something when I'm done with the video. I can click one of these squares, come to the 3 dots, and change the style to an outline. I can also change the color of my square. When I'm done, I can lock it, and that way the students won't be able to move it. I can also, if you want to, you can add a background. You can also add things behind your picture if you want to make it look a little nicer. So if I go into shapes, I can take out this kind of rounded edge square and I can change the size of it. I can also change the color of it. And then if I click the 3 dots, I can send it to the back, and then I can change both the size of the square and the size of my video and have things work like that. If you want to, you can also do 1 video per slide. So if you have an assignment for your students and you want them to do more than one thing, or you have more than 1 short video for them, you can have this be their first video. You can come down to the right, bottom right, click Add Page, and now I can come back to camera and I can do another video if I want to. The way that activity will look for your students then is, this is Sansa. Sansa's going to see the activity. She's going to click Add Response. And now the video's in here, and if she clicks the Select tool, which is the hand, she can click the play button. She can listen or watch the video, and then she can either type her responses, and those can be moved. And if you want to, you can even teach your students to change the style so that it just fits on the lines like this. She can also draw. Or if you had an image, she could upload a picture. She could write her response on a piece of paper and then take a picture and upload that picture.